What's up, you Invincible King? Welcome to VIP. It's here. This video will take you through the VIP tools that I've developed that has helped us generate over 6 figures in monthly Amazon sales. Got there pretty quickly. I started with $14,000 and it's compounded quickly over the months within the last 2 years to now over 6 figures in monthly Amazon sales. So yes, it's possible to start small and grow massive. These tools are the best to my knowledge and are specifically built for Amazon private label sellers to help us sell more. We use proprietary algorithms together with Amazon's A9 algorithm to create artificially intelligent smart software that ultimately drive us more money. The only way to sell 100 more units on Amazon is if you have 100 more visitors to your Amazon listing. So let's begin this tutorial and this walkthrough. It all begins with Keyword King. Keyword King represents your Amazon backend listing. You'll notice that all the fields here, from your search term to your bullets to your product title, are things that you put in an Amazon listing. And so we've kind of created that representation here so that we can build supercharged Amazon listings. So with search terms, you'll go to your backend editor in Amazon and you'll notice that there's search terms here. There's 5 of them. And we've got that here. 5 places to enter your search terms, and we make it easy so you can add 5,000 characters that belong here. So instead of trying to fill them out here and they don't give you a lot of room, we make it very big, and we also count the number of characters down to the T. So why is this helpful? The more relevant you make your product listing, the more traffic will go to it as long as it's relevant. It's easier to read for Amazon. You also show up for words that you wouldn't have shown up for in the first place, which is new traffic. More traffic, more relevant traffic equal more sales. And more sales equal a higher conversion ratio. And that creates a supercharged listing where organic traffic flows like no other. So let's get on with building our Amazon listing. So let's say we're building this blue pencil box. We can call our project ID best pencil list blue. We'll copy the ASIN number, which is from the URL, which is B0045, etc. And our product title, which we can keep it this for now, but eventually you want to start to build a better Amazon product title. Like this product title is terrible. And so when I entered that, you can see the character count. It allows you for a max of 250. And it also shows you the amount of characters that a mobile phone person would see. So there's 52 characters that are visible, and that's good to know. Okay, so now I want to create the best search keyword terms, and you got to put 5,000 of them, which is a lot. So I'm going to go into our other tool, which is called Word Hammer, and I'm going to type in pencil box. And we're going to search under Amazon. You could search with Google too, but for this demonstration, we're going to do Amazon keywords only. So we're going to generate keywords that show you how much volume, how much traffic is coming from these keywords, and the results are in. So pencil box has 110,000 people searching for that monthly on Amazon. That's a lot more than I thought. There's a lot of people searching for pencil boxes. Plastic pencil box is about 12,000. And so you get all these keywords that should actually be in your pencil box search terms. And so I want to add these to my Amazon product listing. And I doubt this listing has it because it does not look optimized at all. And if they did, they'd probably make a lot more money. So I'm going to select my project ID, which is the blue pencil box. And I'm going to add the first 100 results. So the first 100 keywords here into my search terms, and I'm going to just click add. And you can see how fast it adds those keywords in. Now we have 630 search terms. So if I refresh this page over here, where I'm building my product listing, I have 631 keywords. And the cool thing here is 10 things like happened all at once when we created this search term box. We added 100 keywords from here, but notice how pencil is used here multiple times in each keyword. you only want pencil mentioned once because Amazon only counts it once. And so by doing that, we not only eliminate a lot of extra keywords so that we have more room to put other keywords, but it's also more optimized. The other cool thing is we automatically space the keywords so that there's only one space in between. If you used to put commas, you definitely want to put spaces, and this algorithm will automatically remove commas for you. So it cleans your search terms. If you already have search terms in your Amazon listing, you can put those in here and it'll clean it as well, which is pretty awesome. The other awesome thing here is we didn't just take 100 search terms. We took the highest volume keywords first. And that's the cool thing about WordHammer. It organizes it by the highest volume first, and then you can quickly add the highest volume keywords in groups. So the first 500 results. And similar to how we did the search terms, you can do this with the bullets and the product title. And more importantly, the PPC, because PPC is actually pretty hard to do. You want to get the highest search volume keywords, and you want to do it quickly, and you want to get a lot of them. So let's say I want to add the first 300 results here. I'll add that to my PPC plus, which is positive keywords for my Amazon listing. So if you've been doing PPC, that'll become huge when you're creating these PPC campaigns, because it allows you to organize your PPC and create awesome Amazon PPC campaigns. And you can see how this box actually operates differently. You can have your keyword multiple times. The way Amazon formats PPC is you got to put one keyword per line. So we automatically give you one keyword per line. So you just copy and paste that right into your PPC campaigns. And if you notice like negative keywords, like let's say I want to put pencil box plastic, that'll remove, once you save this, your negative keywords will override and remove it from the positive keywords. So everything is working very smart for you to build the best Amazon product listing and run the best PPC campaigns too. So let's keep building our pencil box listing. Pencil box is cool, but I put pens in my pencil box too. So let's search for pens because I want to rank for when people type in pens into Amazon. And so more results came in, a lot different results. And so your mind can be creative here. Like most of these keywords did not exist for pencil box. So pens case, pens drawn, and like pens case, 27,100. Let's say this Sterilite pencil box doesn't even have pens case because, dude, you could put pencils and pens in the same box. And so that's a completely different niche technically, but the product works for both. And so I want to add all of those in. And I'm going to go first 200 results. Make sure we're on the best pencil box ID. And I'll also add it to my PPC. Let's rank for those two. And let's quickly build it. Let's see this go up. The search terms went up to 1,500. Not bad. Let's do the first 500. I want to max this out. And so now I've got 2,000. You can see how it doesn't go up that much. It's because there's a lot of duplicate words, pens and pencils, and that are coming up twice. And technically in Amazon, you can put duplicate keywords here, but it doesn't do anything. So that's why it's so important not to replicate the same keywords. And so I'm going to refresh Keyword King here for my project. And we can see how many keywords we have now. And you can see as the first row maxed out, it goes into the second and third. And still, we don't have duplicate keywords throughout our entire product listing. The other cool thing is there's 50 million Spanish speaking and people that shop on Amazon type in the Spanish version of the word into Amazon, and that equates to a lot of different sales for that keyword. So we want to get those Spanish keywords into our Amazon product listing. And so I'm going to translate the first row, this row, into the fourth row, and that'll do it automatically. And so this not only provides you with the best keywords in English, but in Spanish. You want to get those English words into Spanish, and you can translate the second row into the fifth, so I'll do that too. And so as you can see, I already maxed that out. and I'm hitting over 4,000 characters in my keywords, which is really hard to do. And what we've done is we've got the highest volume keywords and the most relevant keywords as well that are specific to pen and pencil, which is awesome. And so once you have your keywords, you just copy them right, control copy, or you can hit our copy button, and you just copy them right into the search terms. So I'll do that here, copy that here. We didn't finish that line, but that's okay. Copy the fourth into the fourth column, and so on. And so we have 982 characters left. That's the last line. And as you can see, there's 5,000 characters that fit here, and we have 5,000 characters that fit here. So that's awesome. Your search terms are created. You can do this for bullets. As you saw in Wordhammer, you can quickly copy bullets. With bullets, you're going to have to organize it more so that it makes sense to the human, but you want to get your keywords, your main keywords, the highest volume keywords, perhaps only the first 10 results, and add those in into your keyword king. And so I can refresh this. And that's important because bullets actually, believe it or not, they rank. When you type in something into Amazon, you'll notice that part of the bullets show up in the search results. So it's very important to have great bullets. So this helps you direct how the bullet should be. And you can do that with product title as well. So that's Keyword King and Wordhammer. There's Google. You can use Google keywords as well, as many Amazon sellers are using Amazon search results. But Google, you'll notice that there's different search results for both Google and Amazon. And so you can leverage the different various data and create the best Amazon listings. This keyword tool, by the way, if you use the Google search terms, you can also rank. If you're building a website with great articles, you're going to want to get the best keywords for those articles. So you can use that for that as well. And you can see pens, Penn State, 3D pens. The keywords are way different here because people on Google aren't searching for products as much as people are searching for products on Amazon. So the other tool we have is called PPC Armory. And PPC Armory is a whole nother boat. When you're running PPC campaigns, for example purposes, we're just going to use our search terms report for a demonstration product. And so you can drag and drop your search term reports, which you get once you run an auto campaign. And so when you generate that automatic campaign report, you just drag it in here, and it will do the same exact thing as Wordhammer, except you get different keywords when you're running campaigns. The automatic keyword report will generate keywords that you're actually performing for that automatic report, and we sort them by the highest impressions, which typically generates the most traffic for your Amazon listing. And you can send those search terms, because I believe having the same keywords in your search terms, in your product title, will actually help you be more relevant for that search term. So that can be very important for mixing and matching the best keywords in your product listing. So this entire PPC Armory works perfectly with Keyword King, and you can send search terms, product title, Amazon bullets, PPC plus, and PPC minus right into Keyword King, so you can organize it when you want to execute on that product listing. And so one of the greater things with the PPC Armory report is the negative PPC words. So you can see bad performing keywords, keywords that have a ACOS, the average cost of conversion. If it's higher than 100%, it might be a bad keyword. And so these keywords you want to click, or you can add, you could sort by the highest ACOS, and then I'm going to add them, add the first 10 keywords right into my project ID, because I don't want to rank for high performing ACOS, and then add them into my negative PPC. And so I'll build a really good negative PPC list from this. And so that's PPC Armory. And last but not least, you can browse all your keyword lists within the Projects and War Rooms dropdown. This is a dynamic dropdown which will allow you to browse all your latest keyword projects. And so with the best pencil blue, I'm going to go visit my war room. And war room is like the control room of your product listing. You can see how well it's performing. And so we've been tracking this pencil box for quite a long time, as you can see. And the cool thing with war room is it's not like you have to type in your keywords. It automatically pulls your keywords from Keyword King, and we're starting to track them automatically. It makes sense. You're not being asked to type them in one by one. And so blue pencils, where do we rank for that on Amazon? Are we doing good? And if we're not, we don't need those keywords. But if we really do, keep them there. So you can monitor your progress per keyword, which I think is very powerful. We have our AmzSecrets Vault, which is community-driven secrets. Contribute to, and also the community contributes so that we can all sell more. Shipping optimization. So a lot of cool secrets, and you get our community comments on them if they like something, if they don't. And we also have a live mastermind, which you can also join in on and meet other Amazon sellers. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it.